The most significant political development in recent U.S. history is Donald Trump's return to the White House after the 2024 election, running on a platform of economic revival, immigration reform, and America First policies. Trump managed to galvanize his base while expanding his appeal among working-class voters. His victory underscored the nation's deep political divisions. With a sharply polarized electorate, the election itself was marked by controversies over voting procedures, campaign finance, and disinformation, leading to renewed debates about election integrity. Trump's administration is already making headlines with executive orders aimed at undoing many policies from the Biden era, including environmental regulations and healthcare reforms. Immigration has re-emerged as a central political issue. The southern border continues to see high levels of migrant crossings, prompting debates over border security and humanitarian responses. The Biden administration's policies aimed at a more humane approach to asylum have been rolled back by Trump's new administration, which has reinstated measures like family detentions and the Remain in Mexico policy. Meanwhile, the business community is pushing for reforms to address labor shortages, particularly in agriculture, technology, and healthcare. Despite these pressures, comprehensive immigration reform remains elusive due to partisan disagreements. Conservative-majority Supreme Court has been pivotal in shaping U.S. policy. Recent decisions on affirmative action, student loan forgiveness, and environmental regulations have sparked widespread debate. The court's influence is seen as both a stabilizing force and a polarizing one, depending on one's political perspective. Democrats have called for judicial reforms, including court expansion or term limits for justices, but these proposals have gained little traction.